Welcome back to Shib everyone. By 2025, what is the estimated value of 20 million Shiba Inu coins? Shib News. The long-awaited Shibarium is currently nearing completion. The crypto community is thrilled by the recent announcement from the Shiba Inu team that this Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet has been deployed. The price of Shib began to rise as soon as it was reported that the Shibarium testnet will go live. One of the reasons this coin has performed well is the increasing demand for it, as more investors purchase Shiba Inu before the expected boom following the product's real introduction. Shibarium was created to solve the significant issue of Shiba Inu's dependence on the Ethereum blockchain. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will be powered by the blockchain solution, which will also enable developers to expand upon it. As a result, it is among the most important tools that will increase Shiba Inu coin adoption. The value of 20 million Shiba coins by 2025 will be discussed in this video. Shib News. To view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing predictions for Shiba Inu, please remember to subscribe to the channel, share, and give us a thumbs up. Let's get the video started right now. According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu surged to 15.2% over the previous day and 31.2% over the previous 7 days on January 17. Based on market valuation, Shib is presently the 13th largest digital asset. Among the top 100 cryptocurrencies, it had one of the best days at $0.12. Additionally, the 24-hour trading volume of the meme coin increased by around 200%. With the majority of these deals taking place on Binance and Coinbase. Altcoins are seeing robust rallies after those of the market leaders, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as has frequently happened in past market cycles. This could be because traders are reinvesting their winnings from large-cap assets into smaller ones. According to data from CryptoQuant, on January 10th, over 14 trillion Shib tokens were placed on exchanges, marking a huge rise in the quantity of tokens being moved to these platforms. The price increase today implies that assets might not be sold in the spot market, but rather used to open derivative bets. If long positions start to liquidate, the Shib price may become more volatile if the recent price movements are based on the derivatives market. The Shiba Inu team revealed earlier this week that it is developing Shibarium, a Layer 2 network that would run on Ethereum. This was acknowledged by the team in their project introduction blog article. Shibarium has never been focused on price pumping, unlike what some people believe. Instead, the team contends that its new Layer 2 network would boost ecosystem token transaction speeds and reduce expenses. Throughout January, there has been a remarkable increase in the price of Shib. However, since wider time periods do not provide the best bullish indications, prudence may still be warranted. Investors are paying close attention to Shiba Inu's price because the month-long surge in volatility has produced a number of lucrative day trading chances. The market is experiencing a momentary halt, and while the technicals are pointing north, there are reasons to be wary of the long-term prospects of the upswing. The current price of Shiba Inu is $0.1037. On the daily time frame, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, an indicator that evaluates trend potential by contrasting and comparing prior pivot points, displays an odd circumstance. Given that the indicators broke above overbought circumstances above the 70 level during the most recent surge, they are definitely optimistic. Regretfully, the rise hardly affected the weekly RSI. The surge exhibits a concealed bearish divergence and stays in the neutral zone. This might be a subliminal indication that the market's early bulls are heading for a waterfall and could be liquidated in the upcoming weeks. If this is true, a challenge to the recent origin point at $0.08 might be successful, leading to a 25% drop in the current Shib price. Furthermore, smart money might qualify Shib's potential for future uptrends at the liquidity level above the concealed bearish divergence. The bearish thesis might be disproved by a breach at $0.1516, which would then trigger a rebound toward the August high of $0.1793, which would represent a 75% rise from Shiba Inu's current market value on January 15, 2023. Many people expressed their admiration for Shiba Inu in the comment thread, sometimes even choosing it over Dogecoin, the original meme token that was introduced as a joke on Bitcoin in 2013. Shib is still rising steadily, and there are currently no indications that the market is turning around. The primary cause of this sudden increase is probably related to a number of Shibarium upgrades and listings on several major cryptocurrency exchanges. Since Shiba Inu has been consolidating near the 200 to 100-day moving average for over 4 days, which may have been an accumulation period prior to the breakout we saw today, it has also been indicating the potential for a breakout. However, according on his previous tweets, David Jin exclusively has Doge and Shiba Inu. We'll probably see the burning volume continuing to rise if the market's current price trend holds. The Japanese trading platform altcoin Japan, a division of the San Francisco-based exchange, added support for the second largest meme coin by market capitalization value at the beginning of December. The market is not expected to do much, and the bearish trends are still there, according to the most recent Shiba Inu coin news. It might take a while for the industry to bounce back from this trend. While some analysts predict that investors will have a prosperous future, many believe that a significant crypto winter is still to come. With additional stimulation from projects like DAO, Shibarium, games, and NFTs, the price may surpass the $0.269 target. In the meantime, the price may drop to $0.185 due to normal buying and selling pressures. Lastly, the price may drop below $0.102 because of bearish patterns. The increasing adoption by luxury and retail firms may pave the path for international recognition and the flood of high-end clients. As whales currently own the largest proportion, followed by retail and individual investors, the spiking influence is clearly visible in succession. Nevertheless, the volume that retailers have helped has been steadily increasing. Shib's price might therefore reach a price tag of $0.36 if buy orders increase. However, declining Shib statistics and little demand could drive the price as low as $0.35. The average price may establish its foundation at $0.250 when taking into account the bullish and bearish targets. Shib is anticipated to grow significantly over time if the creator's ambitious plans come to fruition and if it becomes a prominent player in the metaverse. The price of Shib can reach $0.437. Shib may trade at an average price of $0.377 if the market forces the price through normal buying and selling pressures. On the dark side, FUD and pessimistic attitudes could drive the price down below $0.318 if investors are unable to keep up with the digital assets' liquidity on exchanges. To emphasize, the price estimate for Shiba Inu is now down more than 87% from its all-time high of $0.0845. However, if the bulls surge in, Shiba Inu might reach reachable highs of $0.259 before the end of 2023, according to Coinpedia's price estimate. On the downside, the meme coin's price may enter a bearish hook and drop to $0.112 if it succumbs to bearish trends driven by large liquidations. The network then recruited Leash, the next token after Shib. The network swiftly changed from its initial rebase token to a fungible form similar to the original token. The token presently has a fixed supply of 100,000, and the keys were burned. According to the network, there will be specific benefits for everyone who maintains the currency's liquidity. Since Ethereum powers the network, it is extremely secure while being a developing project. We may anticipate that Shiba Inu will benefit from the shift since Ethereum plans to move from POW to POS consensus procedures. Among other notable exchanges, the altcoin is listed on Coinbase Pro, Binance, Coin, Wazirix India, and Uniswap. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.